Hello guys and welcome, and today I will show you how to build a gaming PC for $1,500. So let's get started. The processor is the Intel Core i5 4690K. This is the best choice for this build. It's clocked at 3.5 GHz, it's a quad-core processor and it has 6 MB of cache. This processor comes at $230. To cool down this processor we need a great cooling solution. So we'll go with Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. This is very great choice for this build. It has good cooling and it has 6 heat pipes. So this air cooler comes at $35. The motherboard is the MSI Z97 PC Mate. This is a very great choice for this build. It supports up to 32 GB of RAM and supports 2 graphics cards in Crossfire, and also it has the new Intel Z97 chipset, which means that supports this motherboard supports the 4th gen as well as the next 5th gen CPUs. So this motherboard comes at $100. The graphics card is the EVGA GTX780Ti Super Clock Edition. So this is the fastest single card in today's market. It has a base clock of 1006 MHz, a boost clock of 1072 MHz. It has 2880 CUDA cores and 3 GB of GDDR5 384-bit memory. This graphics card will run any game at full ultra settings at 1080p. So this graphics card comes at $720. The hard drive is the Western Digital Blue 1TB. This hard drive is 7200 RPM and it has 64 MB of cache and it has 1 TB of space, which is very enough for all our stuff. So this hard drive comes at $60. The SSD is the Samsung 840 EVO 250 GB version. So this SSD has a read speed of 540 MB per second, a write speed of 520 MB per second. This SSD comes at $120. The RAM is the Corsair Vengeance 8 GB version. So this RAM is clocked at 1600 MHz and it has 8 GB of space, which is very enough for gaming. So this RAM comes at $90. The case is the Corsair 200R. So this case has a great airflow and also great build quality, and it has USB 3.0 and it's easy to work in for beginners. So this case comes at $60. The power supply is the Corsair CX750M. So this power supply is 80 plus bronze, and also it's semi-module. That means that we will use the cables that we need. So this power supply comes at $85. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.